Do you know that some YouTube niches pay creators 5 times more than others? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 YouTube niches that are currently paying the highest, so you can choose the right niche and start earning more. Hello guys, welcome back to the Favorite Academy. On this channel, I teach you AI tutorials, video editing, and YouTube growth strategies to help you grow and earn online. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, let's talk about the top 10 high-paying YouTube niches. The first and highest paying niche is personal finance and investing. This includes topics like saving money, credit card, stock investing, cryptocurrency. Advertisers in this niche pay a lot because they make a lot of money from customers. That is why the finance channels often earn the highest CPM on YouTube. Now let's talk about CPM. CPM simply means cost per minute. That is the amount the advertiser pay for your videos, for the ad on your videos. The second niche is make money online. This will include freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, site hustles. People searching for these topics are ready to spend money on courses and tools, so advertisers pay more to reach them. Niche 3 is business and entrepreneurship. This includes starting a business, online business ideas, productivity for entrepreneurs, business tips. This audience is very available to advertisers. Niche 4 is technology and software tutorials. This includes app tutorials, software reviews, tech guides, computer tips. Companies that sell software, tech products pay a lot for ads, which means higher earning for creators. Niche 5 is AI and automation tutorials. This is one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube right now. It includes AI tools, AI video creation, automation tools, prompt tutorials. And this is also the niche of this channel. Next is digital marketing. This includes social media marketing, SEO, which is search engine automation, online ads, content marketing. Since businesses spend a lot on marketing tools, this niche pays very well. The next is real estate. This includes property investing, house flipping, rental income, real estate tips. Real estate companies and agents pay high advertising rates, so creators in this niche earn more per view. The next is education and skill-based tutorials. Examples: language learning, career skills, online courses, professional training. Educational content attracts serious viewers, which increases ad value. The next is tech product review. This includes phone reviews, laptop comparisons, gadget unboxing, tech recommendations. These videos also earn from affiliate links, not just ads. The last one we have here is health, fitness, and weight loss. This niche is crazy, guys. This includes workout routines, diet tips, weight loss journey, and fitness advice. Health brands, supplements, and fitness programs pay good money for ads in this niche. But here is something very important. Choosing a high-paying niche does not automatically make you rich. Your earnings also depend on 1. Your audience location. Very, very important. Your watch time, your video length, and your consistency. If you are starting a YouTube channel, try to choose a niche that pays well, has audience demand, and that you actually love. because you can't choose a niche that you don't love. You need to choose something that you have compassion on, something that you love doing, that when you are doing it, to give you joy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, video editing, and YouTube growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.